Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to change your caller ID name on Android quickly and easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google app on your Android phone by either swiping to the side or tapping the G icon on the search engine. This app lets you manage many Google account settings. Step 2. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account to access your personal details. Step 3. Scroll through the menu and select the Personal Info tab where you can update your important information. Step 4. Tap on the name option under Personal Information. This is where your current caller ID name is stored. Step 5. Edit your first name by typing the new name you want to appear when you make calls. This will change how your caller ID shows up. Step 6. If you want, you can also edit your last name by typing a new one here. Step 7. When you're done editing, tap the Save button to apply the changes. Your caller ID name is now updated and linked to your Google account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.